Let me also welcome on board Vinay Rajani and find out what he's making of the market right now. Vinay, hi, afternoon. Any particular sector you're looking at right now? And does it seem like this, sell on the uptick of yesterday that we're seeing in the market play out is going to last some more days?
Yeah, so it is a typical result season move. So sector rotation is going on right now. The sector which was not performing yesterday, today it has performed. Like defense sector is the one of the sector which has got the momentum, and many stocks from that particular sector is looking strong right now. So defense is the space one can look at it. Some private sector, small private banking sector stocks are looking good, like CUB and RBL Bank and Karur Vysya Bank. So yes, overall market is still looking bullish. Sector rotation is going on. But if we were to take today's theme, it is a purely defense theme, and it is looking very good. And if somebody is looking for trade in the short term, then I think defense space one can look at, and that looks very convincing for short term trading.
Right, so that's about the markets, but the AMFI semi-annual index rejig is around the corner, with Nuvama projecting that the announcement in early July and changes effective from August. Amongst the likely large cap entrants are Indian Hotels, Mankind Pharma and Apollo Hospitals. Meanwhile, RVNL, Hero MotoCorp and Swiggy may slip to mid-cap. Sharad is here with all the expectations. Sharad.
Well, the AMFI semi-annual rejig is coming, and as per the report by Nuvama Alternative, the announcement is likely to come in the first week of July. Now, effectiveness would be coming in from 1st August, and this potential changes, if you look at it, for the large cap, mid cap, small cap, this will be coming in for the second half of calendar year 25. Now, this is important because there's no actual inflows or outflows coming in, but it helps in overall categorization for active fund managers. Now let's look at the stocks which should be in focus, the potential large cap entrants which will be actually moving in from the definition of mid cap to large cap. Some of the names include Shree Cement, Mazgaon Dock, Mankind Pharma, Solar Industries, Apollo Hospitals, Lupin and even Dixon Tech, to name a few which is coming on your screen. Also, there are some stocks which will be coming down from the category of large cap to mid cap as per the definitions by AMFI. These names includes RVNL, Hero MotoCorp, Indian Overseas Bank, Cummins India, ICICI Pru Life, and even making it to the list is Dabur and Polycab and JSW Energy, to name. Also, some stocks which are the potential mid-cap entrants, basically from small cap to mid-cap definition. They include Godrej Phillips India, KPR Mills, Narayan Hrudayalaya. From pharma space, we're also having Laurus Labs. Also making it to the list, borderline is MCX, Radico Khaitan, Cholamandalam and Global Health as well. Some stocks which are moving in from the definition of mid-cap to small cap, these names include Punjab and Sind Bank, Ola Electric Mobility, Apar Industries, New India Assurance, and also IGL, Syngene, Deepak Nitrite, and even Tata Tech expected to come in the definition of small cap. So this is the entire report coming in. Expectations, this is for the first initial ones from the AMFI's semi-annual rejig.
Right, Sharad, we'll leave it at that. That's the interesting rejig which is expected. But in the meantime, let's also get in some closing trading strategies. Half an hour to go before we wind up for the day. Kunal, what's on your list?
So I'll go with an offbeat sector that's on the PSU banking name, and SBI is something which I believe at current levels of 780 and 90 thereabouts, I think starts to look attractive because the stock is nearing a break of its 200 moving average. So bullish on SBI.
Okay, bullish on SBI. That's the call from Kunal. Vinay, what about you?
Yes, I would take one private sector bank, City Union Bank, CUB is the code. So as I said that I am bullish on the small private sector banks. One of the stock is CUB, which I like. It has given a fresh breakout from the consolidation and the primary trend has been bullish. So it is one of the outperforming small private sector banks and looks like a fresh breakout on the short-term charts. So I would go long around here 190. Stop loss can be kept at 186. This is purely for trading, and on the upside we can expect a target of 197 for in next 2 to 3 trading session. The second pick I would choose from the defense space and railway stock. We can also say it as a railway stock. The stock name is BEML, Bharat Earth Mover, which is looking strong. It has given a fresh breakout and surpassed the 200 days average. Which is looking very strong. 33.20 is the rate around which one can go long. 3250 is a stop loss for the short term trading. On the upside, I'm expecting a target of 3500 in next 2 to 3 trading sessions.